Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take just 5 minutes to reconnect with a feeling we all crave, true freedom. Whether you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, this meditation will help you release what's holding you back and step into a space of liberation and peace. So get comfortable and let's begin. Before we start, let's set the intention. True freedom isn't just about external circumstances. It's an inner state of being. It's about letting go of limitations, fears, and doubts, and embracing the truth that you are limitless, whole, and free. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathe in deeply and exhale. 1 more time. Breathe in and exhale. Perfect. Now let your breath settle into its natural rhythm. Now, bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize a glowing sphere of light there, your inner freedom. With each breath, feel it growing brighter and stronger. This is your true essence, limitless and free. Feel it expanding, filling every part of your being. Let's repeat these affirmations together. You can say them out loud or in your mind. Feel each word deeply as you say it. I am free. I release all that no longer serves me. I am limitless and unbound. I choose peace and liberation in every moment. I am connected to the infinite freedom within me. Now imagine a pathway in front of you. This is the path to true freedom. See yourself walking confidently toward it, feeling light, joyful, and unburdened. As you walk, feel the joy of knowing that freedom is your natural state. It's always within you, waiting to be embraced. Take 1 more deep breath in and exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. How do you feel? Lighter, more at peace, more connected to your inner freedom? Remember, true freedom is always within you. You can return to this feeling anytime you need it. until next time, remember, you are free, you are limitless, and you are whole. See you soon.